Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Carisa and you should totally subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm super excited because my MacBook Air just came and I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I'm so excited to be able to do this video. And please just ignore my background. I just ended school right now. You guys will see that video before this one, so you guys should definitely go check out that one. We're grateful that I was able to get this. I saved up my money for this MacBook and all of it I paid for, so I just wanted to note that I have been wanting a MacBook, and for editing especially, so I finally get to do that. So let's just get to the unboxing part. So I try to hide like all this stuff from my desk. I want to save that for the room tour for my room. Open this. Oh, there's already a little thing. Oh my god! I'm so excited, you guys. This MacBook Air. I love watching these videos when they unbox the MacBook, and now it's me. So I'm super excited. I just want to note that I kind of realized that my hair was kind of messy in the back, and I don't even know how I didn't even realize, but I just want to apologize for that because I know it's kind of like weird. I don't know, kind of bothered me, but anyways, let's just move on to the video. Always wanted to do this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna open this up. Oh my goodness, I got the space gray. I like the space gray a little bit more than the silver one. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I'm gonna say that a lot in this video. I'm gonna set this up with you guys, and I'm also gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be doing. So we're gonna do that.
To use English as the main.
It's fancy. Okay. Open it up to United States. I need to put my Wi-Fi, which is this one. I'm not going to show you guys this part. I'm pretty sure I remember my password. You guys, literally, the keyboard is so, like, light. Oh, I spelled Gmail wrong, sorry. I don't have my glasses on and I'm too lazy to put on my contacts, so. Okay, where's the password, dude? That should log us in now. So now we have to put in the message that they sent, and we got it there. Terms and conditions, agree. Now I have something new to edit on, which I'm super excited about because my phone is definitely super hard to edit on. And if you guys want a video on how I edit on my phone, I'll definitely do that video. Just comment down below. Okay, so I actually put on my glasses because it's kind of hurting my eyeballs. So I guess we're gonna customize settings because honestly I'm not sure. We're gonna enable Siri, yay! Hey Siri. Sorry, my phone. Oh gosh, my phone is. Hey Siri. Not working, guys. I'm confused, it's not working. Oh, I have to put continue. I'm so dumb. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. I was not a smart person at all. I was supposed to press continue. I was like, how?
I'm supposed to do it. Okay.
Oh, now my touch ID, yay. I'm gonna keep it on the light. I think I like it better on that. So we're gonna keep it on the light mode. Setting up your Mac. Okay, this is amazing. I've never owned like a MacBook computer, any type of that. I just have my iPhone. I have a list of the things that I want to do to my computer. I want to put the wallpaper collage thing in the back, and then I want to do the hot corners, and then the screensaver, and then the folder icons where you guys can do that. I don't even think I'm gonna use folders honestly right now. So I actually watched this YouTuber, Julia K. Chris. I don't know, I'll insert a picture of her YouTube channel, and I'm actually going to do it the way that she does it because that's where I saw hers. I think I'm going to use one of the papers that she has. Check her website. We're currently on her website right now, and we're looking for MacBook screensavers. So these are the ones she has. She has Neutral Motivation, Vibrant Vibes, Almond and Honey. She has Beige Girl Gloss. Now between the Almond Honey, you guys can't really see it. You know what? I think I'm gonna figure out how to screen record, and I'm gonna show you guys my screen recording. Okay, we're gonna be cool. So we're currently screen recording and I feel fancy. So this is what I was saying. I'm between the Nurture Motivation one and the Almond Honey, and I don't know what to choose. Or she's 1,000 subscribers, so maybe we're not gonna choose that one because I don't have 100,000 subscribers. Shoot, what am I supposed to do? Do I drag it out? I'm so confused. Okay, so make the screen small, and we're going to drag it out here into a folder. Background. We're going to use this. Change desktop preference. It says change desktop background. Photos. Oh my god, it's there. Okay. So then we're gonna. Wow, that looks very nice. So then we take that off, and that's my wallpaper. Oh, now I'm gonna, you know, like that screensaver clock thing. We're gonna do that next. So we have to go to fill kill or something like that. We're gonna go to that, and then it's a clock. And so this is what I'm pretty much talking about. It has a version for MacBook and then for Windows. And I'm gonna download it. Allow system preference. I'm pretty sure. Then we go to desktop and screensaver. And then screensaver. Oh, okay, it's there, guys. Okay, so hot corners. Oh my god, that's so cool. So that was me unboxing and setting up my MacBook. I always imagined of doing this video, and I finally got to do it, and I have the MacBook now. Oh, it's so exciting. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, then don't do anything. I really hope you guys all enjoyed today's video, and I would love if you guys would subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Make sure you guys are all safe out there, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye, guys.